Moving on now, the situation was also tense outside the Hyderabad Central University. Now, it's been more than 2 months since the death of research scholar Rohit Vemula, but peace has not been restored at the Hyderabad University campus just as yet. Students and activists were seen gathered outside the university. They were demanding the removal of the Vice-Chancellor Appa Rao, who has just returned from his indefinite leave, demanding Appa Rao's removal. The students tried to march towards the Vice-Chancellor's lodge where the Academic Council meeting was going on, but then they were stopped by the police and university security personnel. The police even put up barricades and deployed additional personnel to prevent these protesting students from heading towards the Vice-Chancellor's lodge. Students are demanding the immediate removal and the arrest of Appa Rao in view of the case registered against him under the SC/ST Prevention of Atrocities Act following the suicide of Rohit Vemula.
Students are protesting, police are trying to remove them. They are taking them away. First they are just conveying the message. When police the students are not listening, they are also using the mild force to remove them. Same thing is happening inside the campus. Today Academic Council meeting is happening inside the campus at the VC lodge. There inside the Academic Council meeting, the main premises of Academic Council meeting, the VC lodge. Outside that VC lodge, students are also protesting inside the campus. We'll try to speak one of the students. Sir, tell me about your demand and what's exactly happening inside the campus.
Single agenda demand: Appa Rao should be removed, and single aim for this entire movement, that is justice for Rohit Vemula. BJP is adamant in not giving justice to Rohit Vemula. They are stubborn in not removing Vice Chancellor Appa Rao. Then students also are stubborn that you cannot remove the chains, you cannot tie us in a Hyderabad Central University. Definitely these gates will be broken. Democracy should be installed. Let media and democratic voices come inside, throw out police, otherwise students will revolt all over India.
So clearly they are saying that they'll not accept VC Appa Rao. They want their immediate removal.
We're getting in an update on NIA officer Tanzeel Ahmed's murder. The police are looking for 2 suspects. According to police sources, the stills of these suspects have been grabbed from the
footwork correct. Hi, this is Kohli very. Maintain this, huh? Hi, this is Kohli very.